On June 24th, the new cars are faster, ka-chow, bolder,
I'm ready to fly.
and hotter than ever.
How about that pistachio ice cream?
No, wasabi.
Oh, same old, same old. What's up with you?
Disney Pixar's Cars 2, rated G, in theaters and IMAX 3D.
I didn't know.
The tents come down. These deals will end.
Red flag warning remains in effect until midnight. Mountain daylight time tonight for gusty winds and low relative humidity for fire weather zone 220, 221, 222, 223, 224, 225, 226, 227, 228, 229, and 230.
The following message is transmitted at the request of Baca County Office of Emergency Management. Baca County Stage 1 fire ban in effect until further notice. No fireworks or outdoor burning allowed. Very dry with windy conditions and extreme fire danger. No fireworks or any type of open flame allowed in unincorporated areas. Baca County Sheriff's Department and Springfield Police Department will issue citations for any illegal fireworks within incorporated areas. Citations will be issued for any fireworks or open burning in unincorporated areas. Propane grills allowed, if always attended, and fire extinguisher present. Stay safe and aware. Call 911 immediately to report any fire or other emergency. Here is the forecast for northern El Paso County. Monument Ridge, Rampart Range below 7,500 feet, including Black Forest. Tonight, partly cloudy, then becoming mostly cloudy until midnight, then becoming mostly clear. Patchy smoke. Lows 53 to 58. North winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 10%. Independence Day, sunny in the morning, then partly sunny with a 30% chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs 80 to 86. Northeast winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Saturday night, mostly cloudy. A 10% chance of thunderstorms until midnight.
This heat wave is mental. The track's fucking
melted like how low.
Active alerts for B, express to local. B trains are running local between Kings Highway and Brighton Beach. Some B trains are running via either D or N lines between 36th Street and Coney Island Stillwell Avenue. Extremely limited B express service between Kings Highway and Brighton Beach. Listen to crew announcements on how your train will run. What's happening? We are investigating why tracks have
melted between Kings Highway and Brighton Beach.